In this lesson, we are stepping it up a notch to make data exploration even more intuitive and interactive using slicers. Ready to start slicing? Let's go! Slicers are an easy visual way to filter data on the report canvas itself. To add a slicer, we'll go back to our visualization pane and click on the slicer icon. This will bring an empty slicer into our report canvas. Now, just as we do with our visuals, we are going to drag the field that we need to slice on. In this case, we'll drag our state field into the slicer. And now in your visual, you can see all of the states. And you can simply select and deselect state from here. Now let's customize our slicer. We'll again head over to our Format pane and under Visuals, when you click on Slicer Settings, you will see an Options section. In this Options section, you'll see Style and let's set it to Dropdown. What it'll do is it'll change the list that we were seeing before into a dropdown. You can also make changes to the selection options we see. For that, we'll expand the selection dropdown. Here we will turn off the current multi-select option and we'll turn on the toggle against Show Select All option. This will bring and select all option in the slicer. We can play with it by selecting and deselecting different options to see how our visuals change. Let's clear the slicer by clicking on Top Eraser icon. And now you have both a slicer and a filter working on your report.
Wait a second. So this is like a filter, but right here on the canvas? I can interact with the data directly without diving into a separate pane?
That is right. Slicers offer on-screen intuitive filtering, making it easy to select regions, states, or categories visually. While filters are great for more advanced control, like showing the top N values or applying detailed conditions, slicers shine when it comes to quick interactive data exploration.
That's great. Can we use slicers and filters together?
Yes, of course you can. In fact, they are designed to work hand in hand, complementing each other to give you greater control and flexibility. Using them together, you can take your reports to the next level. And speaking of next level, we'll dive deeper into interactivity in the next lesson.